These baits are to help you gain longer term control with your pest control with us at A1 Pest Control. So the OptiGuard ant baits, they've got some gel in the center of them. We give them to you in a sealed pack, but when they're meant to be opened with your thumbs, you just use your thumbs to pop them open, and then you just get a little toothpick, and if you see ants crawling along in a line, you just grab some of that material. You'll only need like a pinhead's worth of ant bait and just put it in front of where the ants are tracking, and they'll take that back to the nest. So we give you 2 of these. Then they'll dry out eventually, so to help prevent that, it's best if you keep these in a cool, dry place and maybe wrap some cling wrap around them, because they'll eventually dry out. So they just snap close, and once they're closed, you can wrap them up. I'll just put this down. Yeah, you need 2 hands. Yeah, and these are the cockroach detectors. Now they're supposed to go where cockroaches are likely to come into. We usually put them beside the fridge, or in the garage, where they can come up underneath garage doors, near garbage bins, that sort of thing. So we recommend that you keep them in the one place for at least a month, where you think there may be some cockroach activity, or if you see some cockroaches, put them there and they'll get drawn to the pheromone tablet in the middle. That smells of yeast slightly, and it will attract the termites in, and they'll get stuck, and they'll eventually die. So you leave these in place until they get dusty, I suppose, or too full of cockroaches, but they can usually take about 20 cockroaches, and they tell us where the cockroaches are. So that's our low toxic bait and non-toxic baits for cockroaches and ants at A1 Pest Control, Sydney.